Most beginners fail on Amazon KDP for one simple reason. They treat it like a standalone business. They publish a book, wait for sales, and hope the algorithm does the rest. But that approach keeps most people stuck at zero or very low sales. In this video, I'll show you why that happens and how combining YouTube with eBooks turns KDP into a real long-term system. And once you see this shift, you won't look at publishing the same way again. Right now, most people enter Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing with the same mindset. They focus on keyword research, finding trending niches, and publishing as many books as possible. And yes, those things matter. But here's the issue. They are building products without building attention. Amazon is competitive. And when you rely only on organic discovery, you are competing with thousands of other books. So what happens? You publish, you wait, you refresh your dashboard, and nothing happens. Not because Kindle Direct Publishing doesn't work, but because you built half a system. A while ago, I noticed something interesting. Two creators were publishing books in similar niches. One of them focused only on Amazon. The other one started talking about the topic on YouTube. Same type of book, same market. But the second creator was building visibility before people even searched on Amazon. Over time, guess who had more consistent sales? The one who built an audience. That was the moment I understood. Publishing alone is not a system. Instead of thinking, I need more books, think, I need one asset that connects to attention. That asset can be a focused ebook, a guide, or a problem-solving book. And YouTube becomes the bridge. You don't need millions of views. You need alignment, one clear topic, one clear problem, one clear book. Now you're not depending only on Amazon traffic, you're creating your own. Let's break this down simply. When someone watches a YouTube video about publishing, niche research, or solving a specific problem, and you offer a related ebook, you are not selling. You are continuing the conversation. That's why this works. The book becomes a deeper explanation, a structured solution, a next step. Instead of chasing random KDP niches, you align your book with your content. This is how you turn KDP from a guessing game into a strategy. If you want examples of how to structure something like this, I've put free resources below that show simple models you can study and adapt. I also share additional templates and structured walkthroughs inside my school community. Once you become a member, you'll get access to a free starter course and a full library of organized materials, so you can implement everything step by step. Here's the clean system. Step 1. Choose one clear topic people are actively searching for. Step 2. Create YouTube content around that topic. Step 3. Build one focused ebook that solves the same problem deeper. Step 4. Mention the book naturally in your videos. That's it. You don't need 50 books, complex ad funnels, or expensive agencies. You need clarity and consistency. Over time, this compounds. Your videos stay online and your books stay online. Both become long-term digital assets. Now maybe you're thinking, I'm not a writer. I'm not comfortable on camera. I don't have experience. Good. You don't need to be a novelist. And you don't even need to show your face. You can use structured outlines. You can use AI as an assistant. You can keep your content educational and simple. The key is not perfection, it's alignment. And if you're worried about doing this the right way, check the free material below. I break the structure down in a simple format you can follow. Once this system is running, something interesting happens. Your YouTube content brings trust, authority, and visibility. Your ebooks bring structure, monetization, and depth. And if you later want to add affiliate tools, email lists, or simple funnels, you already have the foundation. But the foundation is the asset plus attention combination. Most people skip this step. That's why they struggle. So if you're currently stuck on Amazon KDP, don't ask, how do I publish more books? Ask, how do I connect this book to attention? That shift changes everything. If you want a simple starting structure you can follow, check the free resources below. And if you want access to the full collection of templates, breakdowns, and structured examples I personally use, you can join my school community. Inside, members get a free starter course and structured materials that help you implement this properly from day one. Start simple. Build one aligned asset, connect it to attention, and let it grow over time. That's how you stop guessing and start building a real system.